हाय ऑल। होप आप सब अच्छे हो। और अगर नहीं तो डोंट वरी, आवर गेस्ट विल श्योरली मेक यू हैप्पी टुडे। टुडे आई हैव विद मी Hinal Gandhi on my podcast. And before we start with our topic of how a meme you share can save someone's life, I will quickly introduce my friend and a constant motivator who is not only an engineer but also a painter, social worker, a cat 99 percentiler, and well, she has love for trekking and many more. But the most is for Garba, right, Hinal?
Of course, Garba is my energy pill and create other chain makers at the same time.
Yeah, that's a good thing. So, well, इतना जोश आता कहाँ से है?
The constant motivation and constant inspiration just to see people happy makes me happy and bring the all the positivity and enthusiasm in my life because मुझे लगता है जो खुश है वही लोगों को खुश रख सकता है.
वो तो है. So, सबसे पहले सोशल मीडिया कब स्टार्ट किया एंड फिलहाल इंस्टा पे स्टेटस क्या है? लाइक पूरा बंद करके बैठे हो, बहुत एक्टिव हो, या नो चैट्स ओनली रील्स काइंड ऑफ कुछ सिचुएशन है?
I To answer your first question, I started social media in my ninth grade to chat with my crush and to
Okay.
just see updates. And eventually, it got to something else, and the purpose of being on social media changed for me. Right now on Insta, current status is sub dekhti hu, and most probably, as it is said that the echo chamber and what you follow is what you follow in your life. So I follow accounts which have similar
Taste or
interests.
maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
Correct, correct.
So yeah, and what I do is spread positivity. And currently, I'm following a challenge, and yeah, that is the update on which I give to my followers and my friends.
And that challenge is kind of unique because it is, you walk some steps and that much amount is donated. This is kind of the challenge, I guess it is.
Yeah, the challenge was just about the steps you walk. It is about 10,000 steps you walk in a day for 21 days. So there's an app called Impact which donates money, converts your steps into money for a cause.
ओके, ओके. वैसे मेरा एफबी तो बहुत सालों से बंद है, बट इंस्टा इज ऑन एक्सेप्ट फॉर फ्यू पैचेस ऑफ टाइम इन बिटवीन. बट एक चीज मैंने नोटिस की, currently near about सबके memes, stories या posts are regarding all know it, like corona.
Yeah.
And when you come across any content, what is your general response? Like normal memes वगैरह तो फिर भी ठीक है, कोई भी content, what do
Uh,
you do?
as I said, I always my followers are people who are of the same taste, and so there are people who just post the facts. So I mainly come across only the good stuff and uh, truth, basically.
Mm-hmm. So one thing is I have felt is there is a lot of variety of memes there on the platform, but we don't know any, like we don't know whether it's correct or not or what it is until and unless we go in depth. But that's not the time we have every day that we go in depth of each and every meme. So let's just broadly categorize some memes. What do you say?
I agree to you because there's so much on the mind we can take, and if you see something so much, you start believing in it deeply. So this affects your thought process and alters your identity. So you have to be mindful of what new news or what content you are consuming, right?
Exactly.
So there are, as I said, there are many people on the social media. There are many types of people who are spreading the memes and posting stuff. But the things which matter is what you are consuming.
So
Yeah.
what I feel is, when I have like I sat down and I, came across all the memes which I'm not a complete social media, knowledgeable person, but near about, layman jitna jisko सब पता रहता है. The first thing which I came across was random on miscellaneous memes, like funny memes, romantic memes, joke memes, anything which is not, harming anyone in any way is a simple meme. The second, third, and the fourth one are the types of memes which it was where I got it thinking. The second one would be, first one was random memes done. The second one was fake. Fake memes, anything which was sensational. I could not, just let it go. I could not say, okay, ठीक है, ये जो information है, is it, if it's sensational, most of the time it happens that it might not be true. If it's true, well and good. But if not, who is there to check for it? So what is your thinking on that? How do you tackle with fake memes or anything?
I agree with you. Recently, there are many. It's very easy to get viral. Any post
Hmm.
or anyone to get viral, because just people are just forwarding and for fun, or maybe just giving. Maybe the people are having a good intent of sharing the
Exactly.
content, but
Definitely.
they don't understand. They If they are sharing the content, they are also being accountable for sharing the right stuff or the wrong stuff, whatever stuff you are
True,
saying.
true.
Like we have seen multiple examples in the current scenario itself, and I am not going to lie, I myself am guilty of passing some news which might not be true and not be very much
Effective.
effective, right?
And that must have happened because the solutions kept on changing. So like, I guess you're talking about the time when you had asked for people to donate plasmas, right?
Year, when COVID happened, it was a new for everyone and like for every researcher, every doctor, everyone basically. So
Exactly.
plasma theory just came into existence because they thought it was a viable solution to it. But
Possibility.
now, after an year has passed, and many people and many countries are facing all over the world are doing trying their best to come up with solutions, we know that plasma therapy is not that effective
Yes.
because the body is not accepting the other plasma,
Which
other
are there.
antibodies of the other people, right? So we need people are right now, many people are getting COVID, so people are willing to do something good for others, so they are trying to donate plasma. But at the same time, are we thinking about, is it effective? Let's say that there are many people, out of, like, for example, 50 people, 5 people are donating, but we need medical resources to collect that plasma and give it to someone. And at the same time, let's look at the effectiveness of that. If done cost benefit and analysis on this, of the resources of our medical resources, right? So I think the plasma theory is not that effective. We could have used the same stuff to attend someone else with the COVID patient. Yeah.
Makes sense. And why to waste a resource when we have an extra? If we have extra plasma, doesn't mean that we are going to save, we are going to share it and save anyone, because it's not effective in that case. And this is not a problem like if it would have been a last year. This is now that we have got a new information. Let's just take that information and change the way we approach it, rather than keeping back with the same old solution which we had. The second type, which like the for the fake ones, I would, whenever you come across any meme which is sensational, think once. They don't want you to go and check for the facts. They won't provide you with facts like which organization or anything. They will just give you a sensational headline or some stuff. So whenever you come across anything, I would rather go for on Google and just check whether is there any other thoughts on that, or is it fake or is it actually real. That's what I do, and I would recommend you can do it the same way, so that we can stop at least the misinformation to be shared.
And I would also like to add that if we are being accountable of sharing things or consuming things, we should also be accountable to verify it. And if we are wrong, we need to keep our ego aside and spread the alter news also, the
Exactly.
contradictory part of the news. For example, recently we saw that how there was this news being spread that you cannot take vaccine on your periods or before after
Hmm.
periods. I just went to a doctor and just DM'd her and asked for it. Is it true or not? And she told me. And at the same time, I told everyone who sent me the message and told them to send the same message, to send the contradictory message that
The
there's no
reality.
effect. Yeah, the reality, to again to all the people that you have shared the news. So that,
Mhm.
and there's no shame in doing that.
Yes, the main aim is to actually share information, not to show that whether you were wrong or right. Your aim
Right.
should be to help others, even in any possible case.
I agree.
Yes. So for fake memes, that is one thing needs to be taken care of. The third one which I came across was the memes which were showing the current scenario. It was a really saddening thing to see, and it was all my prayers with the people and all the family members who have lost their loved ones. And it is with due respect that I really want to see a change in which people have more surety of their health as well as their life. They don't have to lose their life. But one thing which I found to be not working in the actual way was that I have this newspaper, and it's a very reputed newspaper, won't take its name, but on the first page itself, on yesterday's news, it was that they were showing fires burning. I understand it is a very emotional thing, but it is not a solution. It is like showing that, okay, it's in a we are sitting in a car and it's going to head on a tree and you're going to die. It's like showing it that way. It's not giving you the solution that you'll have to wear a seat belt, or you'll have to keep your speed slow, or you'll have to check whether the road conditions are good or not. These things are not being talked about. And current scenario value means they are spreading awareness, but it is not spreading effectively how to handle the pandemic. What do you think?
I agree with you, Chandrasekhar. And it is the role of the media to share the information, right? And
Hmm.
I agree with it. There are some information which need to be shared. For example, how bad is the scenario
Correct.
and what other things are going in the other parts of the country or the world. But at the same time, we are only showing the problems or the only the consequences of
The end
previous
point.
actions. Yeah,
Exactly, the end point.
and there is no one here guiding us to how to prevent the future
So
problems,
true,
right?
so true. Yeah,
Like, for example, even in the last year, we went through the same phase. And
exactly.
yet,
And that was
again, a year later, we are on the same page and trying to find out solutions. We
trying to
could have
find out.
found the solutions way before, right? We could have
Exactly.
organized
Mhm.
our resources, our everything else. We could have procured things way before
Way
hand.
before. And it is,
And this second wave was never a surprise. It was always there.
it
The
was
threat
always there.
always there. Even in the near future, we might have climate crisis, and it's not a rocket science. Okay, like
It's a
every
simple
human
thing.
being on the
Hmm.
earth has to know, and it's a very predictable thing. Yet we are not doing anything about it, and going ahead in the future, we'll crab about it
And then
and
at that,
again show the only consequences and not the solutions.
solutions. Problem over here, I feel, is it's completely fine. It's understandable that if we do things wrong, we are going to face that. And yes, we are seeing it on a very big scale, and it is a very, say, heart wrenching thing for me. But the main thing I feel is, yes, if this has happened, let's not make this happen tomorrow. I want to open the paper tomorrow and say that yes, we have beaten COVID. I want to see that news, but nowhere is there's a mention of that. They just, like, if I would ask how many of the cases were displayed online, these are the only basics that we know, that the old age are much more vulnerable and all, but no specific cases. Like, so people are, what they're thinking is, अच्छा लोगों को हो रहा है मतलब मेरे को तो नहीं हो रहा है because I am fit and fine, and yet they end up being the ones who are spreader, as well as they might get corona in the future because they don't know what is actually happening to their body. They don't know their conditions are going to be vulnerable to corona. That is the missing link over there, that the current scenario is only showing the end point, not the path which leads to it.
I agree to you, and I would also like to add how in the last year we could have immuned ourselves. We could have taken supplements or eaten the right kind of food to build the immunity against corona, right?
Work
And
exactly.
at the same time, I've seen people being hospitalized just because of negligence. They
Hmm.
are not ready to accept themselves or take any actions until it's very necessary. Why not take action in the start? And the problem with that is there's no concrete information on doing that.
The information was missing at that point, and now just thinking about the fourth point, and which you had already mentioned, is the fourth type of memes, which are informative memes, and there is a really big lack of informative memes. Like, I haven't seen any meme which says that, that if the mask, if your eyeglasses are fogging, that means your mask is not properly put. So that was something which I came across last week, and I am really feeling bad about it because I didn't know, even if I was being under this so many things, but yet I didn't know, and I really want to share it with as many people. If you don't know, these are many other guidelines which needs to be taken care of. See, it's not that people don't want to participate; it's that they don't know what they are actually doing, which is, maybe helping them or maybe going against them. Like, I saw an elderly guy, he was near about 50, 60, and he was walking on the road, and he was definitely wearing a mask, but he forgot to put it over his nose, and it was not his fault. He was never told that the mask needs to be put on his nose.
No, I completely agree with you that right information need to be shared rather than the wrong information or maybe some information which is not effective in sharing. I agree that facts are supposed to be known by people, but at the same time, there are many other things which need to be shown to the people. For example, preventive measures. And as simple as that, what you said is completely true and I agree with it. Like wearing a mask. It's as simple as wearing a mask. And
Hmm.
what kind of mask need to be wear and what is the right type, what is the right way to wear a mask. These are
Hmm.
this was like the basic thing which need to be embedded in every other citizen
Exactly.
of India or of world.
And the one thing about information is you cannot give it one day. Like if we tweet it for one day saying, okay, no, I have to wear a mask and that's it. It's not going to be ingrained in people's mind. People wear clothes because it is ingrained in their mind. It is not going to be that mask is also get ingrained in their mind right from 2020. They haven't wore their mask for their entire lives. So that needs to be kept on pushing in their mind. All these important messages.
You need to hammer it in your in way like it is like every day कोई ना कोई बोल रहा है पहनो मास्क पहनो मास्क पहनो मास्क पहनो मास्क
हाँ.
पहनो मास्क. And I agree. And there were many. I saw many measures taken by the authority. For example, in our Mumbai, uh, every gully, every street had someone monitoring whether you're wearing a mask or not. And if not, you had to pay a fine of 200 rupees. I myself paid a fine of 200 when I just took out my mask to drink water. And I
Hmm.
told him that I was just drinking water, yet I was charged 200 rupees. So this is kind of the fear you need to create in people for their own good.
Exactly. And also, it is for someone else as well. The mask is not only to protect yourself, it is to protect others as well. Information is a very important thing and it needs to get neglected most of the time.
Addition to all the 4 points you said about the memes, I would also like to add something more, which is
Hmm.
positive quotes and positive memes, which acts as like a chain or a spreader. It is as similar to being a negative news. For example, if I'm showing someone that I'm happy, happiness is contagious.
Yeah.
And if even 2 to 3 people look at my post and my happy face and become happy, I would be glad to post that photo every day.
That is what we actually need to do right now. It is the need of the hour. And yes, that's the reason why we are having a discussion with you to get as many positive vibes as we can. So the things I would say, informative memes are quite a very big chunk of it. Yet the basics I feel is what needs to be shared or what I can be a part of or we all can be a part of is guidelines of wearing mask, how they need to themselves effectively quarantine someone at home. Because see what is happening, everyone is not getting a bed in the hospital and some of the family members are having COVID, and yet there are no guidelines or to how effectively quarantine someone at home. And if we don't know, someday or the other we are also going to get the same effect, and hence that needs to be spread. Also one more thing is how to make a certain healthy pattern of leaving your house. Like I have found out people who will leave 10 times their house in a single day. There was no restrictions as such during the lockdown time. I still couldn't make a sense of it. There was no restriction of lockdown doesn't mean that the coronavirus was completely eliminated. It comes back to that there was no rules as such. Maybe we ourselves need to look for how will be a healthy pattern. Like if we leave our house once in a week, get all our stuffs and come back home, keep yourself 2 3 days away from other people. Maybe these things will help us stop it for a very long time at our own homes rather than going out and making a change. A start from our home can also go a long way because we all are at the end family like the Indians we are.
Agree with you, and I also agree that this steps and this awareness needs to be done on a very high scale, because we are looking at a cultural change we are trying to make here. Because we at a time I want everyone on the planet to wear mask. It is not like a
Correct.
चुटकी में हो जाएगा, right? And you need
Hmm.
to create some kind of marketing scheme which every company does, and it is not like we are lacking of that. Okay, Kellogg's ने कितना पूरा mandatory बना दिया breakfast को. The
Hmm.
world में it made breakfast the important and the mandatory meal of the. It's a myth,
Hmm. Which
but
is
they
a myth.
did that.
हाँ.
Why we couldn't do that for this same reason? मास्क पहनने के लिए क्यों नहीं किया?
And so that's it. One question I would ask in the end: how do you keep yourself positive minded and not blasting and fretting during this pandemic? How is this lockdown working out for you?
I would be very frank here. As people see me as a ball of positivity, it's not the same. I'll tell you, this COVID has been taken a toll on my mental health, in a negative way. But I'm trying to be sane and being the positive energy for everyone around, even my family and my loved ones. I have a huge fan following, or maybe followers or friends, as you can say,
The
and
fan following will
people do
increase
take me
after this.
seriously. That's so kind of you. And what I do is sometimes I just put off my mind off social media, off everything and anything, just detox and do my thing. For example, do garba, as you already mentioned before. That is my source of energy. And I look at positive things. I have a whole wall of positive quotes on my in my bedroom, which I look to, and do anything and everything to keep yourself sane and everyone around sane. Same time, do ask the other questions too. Are you good? Are you mentally fit? How are you taking it all the information in? Are you doing anything else? Are you pursuing a hobby? These are the times we need to do something else to keep ourselves sane, because
Yeah,
news is the negative pool right now. And
exactly.
along with that, we need to take the positivity also.
True. So
And
in
I'd also add to this that please do remember, again, when you are being accountable, be sure that you are doing the right thing. Do the research. Do take the past events in the account when you are doing something good. When you are accountable, even for spreading a message, anything and everything you are accountable for. We are an adult,
we have our
and
rights, so we need to have
yeah,
our duties as well. We need to do our duties.
being an adult, we are accountable for everything we do. So please be sure of what you're doing
Yeah, that's a
and just
really
spread good news and positivity and truth,
and
not fake news.
information. Yeah, so fake news is the thing which we need to work on. So that was a really good thing, actually, Skinal. It was a really smiling and enriching experience to have you over here. I would like to say in the end, let's all stand together and come out victorious in the battle against COVID. And remember, your one well thought of meme or information might actually save someone's life, right? And hope we all can work towards it. And I'll finish this podcast of mine with a poem I have written. With times so tough and morale so low, let's fight this pandemic well enough that we sow the seeds of health as we go.